Hi, this is Leigh. I'm going to show you the retouch menu in my D300s. It allows you to modify images in camera while still preserving the original image. You can get to the retouch menu one of two ways. From playback, you can hit the OK button and it brings up your retouch menu, or you can simply hit the menu button and your fifth icon down with the paintbrush is the retouch menu. The first option on the retouch menu is delighting. You choose which picture you want to modify, and it shows you your original image on the left and your modified image on the right. For delighting, you have the option of using high, normal, or low. What delighting does, if you remember, is bring detail into the shadows of your photo. The next item on our retouch menu is red eye correction. I tried to create red eye in a photo and I simply couldn't do it. So I assume red eye correction is pretty much like red eye correction in any other retouch software. The trim option allows you to trim down your photo. You can either make the crop smaller or larger. Let's see, I'm going to make it this size so I can crop out the people that I've got on the right hand side and the foliage on the left. You can also move your crop by just using your directional dial. The next item on the retouch menu is monochrome. You can either choose black and white, sepia, or cyanotype. And with sepia and cyanotype, you can also choose a darker or lighter options just by using your directional dial. The next option on the retouch menu is filter effects. You can either choose a skylight effect or a warm filter effect. These will just change how the image is viewed and change the mood a little bit by making the image a little bit warmer. Both of them basically make the image a little bit warmer. Your next option is color balance. Again, choosing my photo. Just using the directional dial, you can see in the bottom left-hand corner where my balance is on the color scale. And similar to our previous option, this can just change the mood of our photo. Next, we have image overlay. To do image overlay, we need raw photos. And I have two of those in my camera. I've got me. Choosing my second image, I've got some books. And overlay. It just lays the two images on top of each other. The next option is raw processing. If we choose our photo, we can go through a full range of image processing to create a JPEG file. We have what quality file you would like, fine, normal, or basic. We have the image size, you have large, medium, or small. The white balance. Your exposure compensation. You can set your picture control at standard, neutral, vivid, or monochrome. You have high ISO noise reduction. You also have a color space option of sRGB or Adobe. And finally, the very last item is EXE or execute. That will just execute your changes that you have made and save the JPEG file. Next we have resize, which will just resize our image. And lastly, we have edit movie. You can see at the bottom. I don't have any movies saved in my card, but you can edit the size of your movie. You can change the start and the end of the movie. And that's it for the retouch menu. The last thing that I didn't show you is how to actually save your image, your edited image. We'll just say that I wanted to change delighting for normal. You hit OK to save. And it'll save the image as a new image. This is my fourth image now, you can see in my camera, and this little icon appears in the upper left hand side. That denotes that you have edited your image. The retouch menu allows you to make some pretty substantial changes to the images within your camera without having to use Nikon's capture or other photo editing software. If you have any other questions about the retouch menu or anything else about the D300S, please let me know.